Messiahs, I'm going to show you how to use a Crepe Spreader, a really great tool to even out your batter and make a nice uniform shaped crepe. We're going to add a little bit of flavorless oil to our pan, not a lot, just a few drops. We'll take a spatula wrapped and taped with a piece of paper towel, and we'll just spread our oil through our pan just to make sure it's evenly coated. And our pan right now is nice and hot. We'll take a ladle with about 1/4 cup of our batter, we'll pour it into our pan. Take our crepe spreader and put it in the center of our pan and very lightly spin. Try not to push too much into your cup and just have a nice uniform cup.